informing you all, before we start our lesson, let's go for the COVID-19 tips. Welcome back. This is the second time I'm meeting you, and I would like us to remind ourselves about the last lesson that I had with you. We dealt with forces and movement. That was our sub-strand. So you were able to look at the definition of force. You all heard it, and we also dealt with the effect of force on objects, which was very interesting. I can see now you've all remembered whatever I'm talking of. We also dealt with some types of force, but I chose two of them, which was elastic force and compressional force. But we dealt with the elastic force. We talked much about elastic force. Today we quickly move on to the next one, which is compressional force. How do you say it after me? Compressional force. Say it again. Compressional force. That is nice of you. Now, let's quickly look at the definition of compressional force. The definition of compressional force. Compressional force is the force that is applied to press. Is the force that is applied to press, squeeze, wring, squash, or twist objects to make them smaller in size. Since there are some key terms that will be displayed on the screen for you to see them physically. Now, the key terms here are press. The picture will be shown to you as to how to press something, especially a spring. You normally press a spring. Yeah. I hope you see it on the screen. Very good. Another one is squeeze. Squeeze. Normally we squeeze an orange. We can squeeze an orange into a cup. Hope you get it. Now you see it. Now let's come to another one. Wring. Wring. When you wash your clothes and you want the water to come out from the clothes, what action do you normally do? That action. That is what we call to wring. Yeah. So that the water will just come out from it. You get it. Now let's go to the last one. Twist or squash. Twist or squash. You can see it on the screen. So look at all of them on the screen. So these are the keywords that I want you to take note of when it comes to the definition of compressional force. Let's define it once again. Compressional force is applied to press, squeeze, wring, squash, or twist objects to make them smaller in size. Very good. I can see that you have the definition. Now let's move on to the other aspects of the lesson. Now, the next one we are going to look at is everyday application of compressional force. In our daily life, how beneficial is compressional force in our daily life? Is compressional force important? Yeah. Now, we will get to know whether it is important or it is not important. So, from here, let's see the first point. Compressional force is used in trap doors. Immediately I can see you are smiling. Yeah, by your trap door, you can see that there is a spring there. Have you seen it? Immediately you open, it will just close. It's with the aid of compressional force that the door is able to close on its own when you open it, because the spring that holds the door is helping the door to be able to close. So in that manner, compressional force is at work. Now do you get it? So trap doors I hope you have some in your house. If you don't have some in your house, even in the school, when you come here, you have some here. And you might one more, the other side, see some somewhere else. So, in my definition, or in the example that I gave you, compressional force is used in trap doors. Number 2, compressional force is also used in spring beds. Spring beds. Bed that we sleep on. That is the mattress. Yeah. The mattress. We use some spring in them. This is what out of what compressional force. So we have orthopedic mattresses that use this compressional force. So when you sleep on it, you feel very comfortable. Yeah, especially when you dive onto the bed, you see that you go up and you come down and you feel very happy. Are you okay with what I'm saying? I hope you've seen some before. Very good. Now let's move on to the point number 3. I want you to be attentive, involved in a lesson, so that whatever question you are being asked, you'll be in a position to answer. Number 3, most children play ground toys with spring that allow the toys to go up and down as they sit and ride. That is very nice. Yeah, there are some toys that use spring. There are some toys, even in the school. By the time you were in school, some of the toys that you have here, some of them they use spring. When you sit on them, they go up, then they come down, they go up, and then they come down, so you may enjoy. Yeah, so the presence of the spring that you're talking of is out of what? Compressional force. So it's because of the compressional force, the spring is able to move up and down. When you sit on, it goes down, then one way or the other, it will come up. That is what you're talking of. So most children use them when they are playing on the playground. Yeah, so this is very, very important. You have to note it. Now let's move on. Point number 4. We apply compressional force anytime we squeeze juice out of juice from oranges, lemons, or mangoes. Anytime we squeeze juice from lemons, oranges, or mangoes. Yeah. So squeeze. Normally when we want to make drinks in the house, fruit drinks, normally you cut oranges into pieces and you squeeze them. So before you can squeeze them, now the picture will be shown to you on the screen. Yeah, you squeeze them and then the juice will come out from the orange. Pour it into a cup. Yeah. So the liquid that we can find in fruits, that is what we call juice. That's the juice. So you just squeeze it by the use of what? Compressional force to get the juice out of the fruit. Do you get it? I hope you are following the lesson. That is my answer. And the last point that I would like to talk of for us to bring our lesson to an end. That is number point 5. We apply compressional force to wring water out, to wring water from our wet clothes. To wring water from our wet clothes. Now, the word is wring, which is a verb, to wring. So I hope all of you do wash in the house. Yeah. Do wash in the house. And when you wash, after washing, you want the water to come out from the wet clothes. That is the wet clothes. You have to wring it before you dry it. So that action, you see me doing it. Yeah, this action, you wring it. So the water comes out from the clothes. Yeah. So by the use of a compressional force, you are able to squeeze the water from the wet clothes, and then you go and dry it. Are you okay with the lesson? Very good. Today, this is what I have for you. And I would like to wrap up everything so that we call it a day. Yeah. Are you following the lesson? Very good. Now, we started with the definition of compressional force. I was able to define it for you. We had some key words which were displayed on the screen for you to see it with a physical eye. From there, we just looked at the everyday application of compressional force. how important is compressional force in our daily lives. Yeah, I gave you 5 points ago, and I also explained the 5 points to you, and hope you've all understood what I've teach you. Okay, that is nice of you. I'll give you assignment so that the next time I come, I ask you whether you did it or you didn't do it. But I know you will do it. And I also know you've also done the other one that I gave you on force. I know you've done all of them. Very good. So your assignment is number 1, what is compressional force? What is compressional force? That is your assignment. Number 1, what is compressional force? Then the second question, that is number 2. List 5 everyday application of compressional force in our daily lives. List 5 everyday application of compressional force in our daily lives. I hope you've rated it. List 5 everyday application of compressional force in our daily lives. Very good. Now we'll call it a day. Make sure you keep safe. You do what is expected of you. I wish to meet you then on the next lesson. Then we continue with whatever I have for you. God bless you. Bye bye.